Make your client marketing reports crystal clear by using thresholds and annotations. Thresholds are available online and data-based column chart widgets. These markers indicate targets you want to hit. To add thresholds, hover over the widget you want to customize. Click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the widget, then select Edit. Navigate to the Thresholds tab and click Add Threshold. Give it a name. Let's go with Daily Sales Target and add a value. With your target established, a dotted line appears on your graph, making it easy to see performance against your target. Want to add more? No problem. Add multiple thresholds or switch to a different widget to customize further. Next, let's add an annotation, perfect for giving clients quick context at a glance, like a recent campaign launch. Similar to thresholds, add an annotation by opening the widget settings, but this time go to the Annotations tab. Click Add Annotation, pick a date, and enter a note. Let's say new ad campaign launched. Now that annotation is visible on your graph. And that's it. Quick additions, big clarity. Start a free trial of Agency Analytics today and keep your clients in the loop.